Hey frisky people, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for people using OnlyFans. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've got a step-by-step guide on how to do this. So what you need to do is create an account with OnlyFans. So you need to create one in order to search for profiles. If you don't have one, you can just sign up using the OnlyFans website, and then from there use the search function. So once logged in, use the search bar to enter the person's name or username. OnlyFans offer a basic search feature, so this method may not always yield results in the person's profile, isn't publicly searchable, or if the name is common. You can browse categories. If you know the person's content type or niche, you might browse relevant categories to find their profile. Also, another way is to check their social media links. Sometimes creators link their OnlyFans profiles on their social media accounts. Check their social media profiles for any links or mentions of their OnlyFans page. And then look for the person's OnlyFans profile on websites or forums where people might discuss or share such information.